Microsoft OneNote is a tool for note-taking, information gathering, and multi-user collaboration by Microsoft. This application is also designed to make organizing and sharing information easier. But if you are currently facing this problem, wherein OneNote is automatically bolding text in the next line, even though you have tried pressing the formatting button, and you have already turned off the formatting bold, we would show you how you can resolve this problem in this video tutorial. Now, this issue usually occurs depending on the styles you have in order. So for the reason you're having this problem is that it was switching automatically depending on the style you have directly above the paragraph or your content. Like what we have here for an example. We have the heading style in bold formatting, so even though you have the next line in normal text, the following lines will still be in bold as well. So what you would need to do is have the normal text on your heading style so that the next lines will have the normal text as well. And that's how you can disable automatically bolding text in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.